Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today. My name's Marissa and today we're going to learn a little bit about houseplants. So plants are fantastic to have in your house. I myself have over 20. They provide a lot of benefits. They can make you happier, they can make you calmer, reduce your stress, and they even clean the air for you so they can help you breathe better in your home and reduce your allergies and sicknesses and colds. So as most of you I'm sure know, plants take in a special kind of gas that we breathe out. Does anybody know what it is? Carbon dioxide, you got it. So plants will take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is super important because that's what we breathe. So plants are really, really awesome to have in your home for so many different reasons. So today I'm going to show you some of my favorite houseplants and tell you a little bit about them. And the first step to ever taking care of a houseplant is to give your plant a name and a personality. So as you can see today, some of my favorite plants have decided to make an appearance, and being the kind plants that they are, they've even made name tags for themselves today. So we are going to start off here with Pete, the Philodendron, who even has a little gnome hanging out with him today. So these are one of my favorite plants because they're very easy to take care of, and they create these long trailing vines that you can drape all over your home, add a little extra greenery. These guys like bright indirect sunlight, so that means you want to put them in a window or near a window that gets a good amount of sun, but the sun's not shining directly through that window all day. The same goes for my next friend over here, Fred, the Fiddly Fig. He grows these awesome, waxy looking leaves. And just like Pete, Fred also likes bright, indirect sunlight. Next is Pam the Ponytail Palm. This plant is really cool because it can actually go for a long time without being watered. It has this little stump looking part down here that stores water inside. So even if you forget to water poor Pam, like I sometimes do, she will still be able to grow and thrive for a long while because she has this little spot that stores water. It's one of her adaptations. My next plant is Zephyr, the ZZ plant. Now, if you have animals at home or younger siblings who like to chew on things that they're not supposed to, this would not be the plant for you, because this plant is actually dangerous and can be poisonous to animals. Luckily, my dogs do not eat my plants. But if you don't have anything like that in your house and you're just looking for an easy plant to take care of, this one is for you. These plants don't need a lot of light and they don't need a lot of water. So they're very easy for somebody who's just starting out. I hope you guys enjoyed meeting some of my favorite houseplants today. They sure had a good time meeting you, but I did save the best for last. This right here is Sam the snake plant. Sam likes long walks on the beach, sunsets, fireflies, kittens. He really loves to skateboard, snowboard. He's very active. But what makes Sam so special to me is the fact that he is so easy to take care of. Sam is one of the first plants that I got, and I've had him for a long time now. And these plants are really good for somebody who's just starting out with houseplants and is kind of worried that they might not be able to keep them alive. These plants like low light, they really don't need a lot, and they don't need a lot of water either. So if you're very forgetful, like I am, great plant to start off with. So now we're gonna take a little tour around the world, and we're gonna check in with some of my friends, and they're gonna introduce us to some of their favorite houseplants and tell us a little bit about them. Let's see what they have to say.
Hi guys, I'm Adam. I live in Los Angeles. Let me introduce you to Sally. Sally, come here. Come here, get on camera. She's being shy. Here. That is Sally. She is a beautiful fiddly fig. Her name is Sally because I was FaceTiming with my 5-year-old nephew, and when she came on the screen, he says, "That's Salarina." And I said, "Yep, that is." And so now her name is Sally. Anyway, she has a beautiful, long, slender trunk and voluptuous foliage. She actually came to Los Angeles to be in pictures, but since she moved in with us, she's really taken a liking to just looking out this window and spying on our neighbors. Her favorite thing to do is get spritzed weekly, like this. Nice and happy. So anyways, yeah, that's Sally.
Hi, I'm Courtney from Massachusetts, and this is my pothos plant, Pat. This is Pat, and that's Pat as well. All these plants came from this original parent plant. When it grew too long, I cut it and propagated it. Check out the roots. So Pat's favorite things are sunbathing, but not too much sun, hanging out with friends, and listening to light jazz.
Hi, I'm Emma from Massachusetts, and I'm going to show you my favorite plant. This is Angela. She is a string of pearls succulent, and her favorite thing to do is hang out with all of her friends.
Hi everyone. I'm a Hoya heart plant, and my name is Pasquale. I live in Brooklyn, New York, with my best friend Bowie. She's a cat. We like to hang out together and soak in the sun by the windowsill. It's our favorite, especially when we do it together. I hope you're all having a great day and able to soak up some sunshine wherever you are. Bye!
Hi everyone, it's Brooke from Salt Lake City, Utah, here to introduce you to my favorite houseplant, Henry. Henry has been my plant for over 10 years, which is why he's my favorite. Henry is a spider plant, which is easy to remember just because he kind of looks like a spider. His leaves jut out just a little bit like spider legs. So, something interesting about Henry is he can actually have babies, which is what this is. So a long shoot will shoot out and it will actually feed the babies, and they grow right here, like this, on the end. You can take the babies off and put them in some soil and it will actually grow a new plant, which is what I did with this one. So it's a fun way you can share Henry with your friends.
My name. You
Go.
say my name.
Hi, my name is Kayla, and this is Bennett. And
No, Superman.
This is Superman, and we're from Massachusetts.
And he like to watch Batman.
And this plant loves to watch Batman. This is our favorite plant, the aloe plant, because it's easy to take care of. And the plant has aloe in it for when we get sunburns.
Yeah.
And what's the plant's name again?
Nala.
Nala. This is Nala the aloe plant. Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Hey everybody, I'm Hunter, an outdoor gardener at Tower Hill, and I'm here today with one of my favorite plants. This is a Streptocarpus Hawaii party, otherwise known as a Cape Primrose. And this plant is one of my favorites because it does very well under low light, producing lots of leaves and lots of flowers. And it brings back great memories of going to Logi's for the day where I picked this guy up.
Hi, my name's Gus, and I'm from Massachusetts, and this is my friend Pineapple Pete. He's my favorite plant. We like making pizzas together. We enjoy going for walks. He's my favorite plant, unlike my buddy Cactus Jack over here. Can be a little rough around the edges sometimes, but you know, me and Pete, we've just been hanging out, you know, doing puzzles, you know, other things that begin with P, pineapples, puzzles. That's it, you know. So that's me, Gus and Pineapple Pete. Hope you had a good day. And only you can prevent forest fires.
My name is Todd, and I live in Los Angeles, California, and I'm going to introduce you to my friend Sheila. This is Sheila. She is a ponytail palm, and I've had her for 7 years now. She has beautiful hair. And she loves this window. Her favorite memory is taking a road trip to California from Massachusetts.
Hi, I'm Mochi from Hawaii. My favorite plant is Aloha, the aloe vera plant, because her leaves help my humans when they get too much sun. Aloha likes to sunbathe under the Hawaiian sun.
Hi, my name's Elena. I'm Tower Hill's librarian, and I live in Worcester, Massachusetts. My favorite houseplant is Penguin. Penguin is a butterwort, which is a kind of carnivorous plant that has sticky leaves to attract insects. Penguin's full scientific name is Pinguicula morinensis.
Hi, my name is Penguin. I like to attract friends so I can eat them.
Hi everybody, my name is Trisha and today I want to introduce you to my plant Susie. So this is Susie. She loves sitting in the sun and basking in all of its glory. And these are all of Susie's babies. Susie is a great mother and she loves taking care of all of her kids. And someday soon, all of her babies are going to move out and they're going to get planted in their very own pot with soil, just like Susie.
Hi, I'm Sarah from Worcester. This is Alfred and Freddie. Alfred is my favorite plant. Alfred's an aloe plant. He's really good for your skin. Alfred's favorite things to do are hang out with Freddie and watch the water and see all the boaters go by. He loves reading and taking in as much sun as he can.
Hi friends, my name is Erin. I live in Air, Massachusetts, and I'm here to tell you today about one of my favorite plants. This plant is very popular around the world because they come in every color except true black, and there are many different types and sizes. There are over 25,000 different species of them around the world. Do you know what the name of this plant is? I'm here today to introduce you to my friend Ophelia the orchid. Orchids are a tropical plant which come in a variety of different colors. And one of the reasons that she is my very, very favorite house plant is that when I first got her, she was in the trash. I found her, somebody left her at my work in the trash. And I said, you know something? I think she just needs a little bit of love. So I brought her home. She only had leaves when I first got her and it looked like a bunch of dead stems on top. But I gave her some love and I gave her some water and plenty of sunlight and she started to grow again. So she's one of my very favorite plants because I brought her back to life and she has been producing these beautiful, beautiful flowers. Look at those. And she has even grown a brand new stem. These are all new flowers that are going to start growing soon.
Hi everyone, my name is Kyle and I want to talk to you about my awesome favorite plant. This is my Asparagus Fern and it's my favorite plant because if you get really down low, it kind of feels like you're in the jungle. It creates these little shelves of ferns. And I think it is really cool when I can lay down in bed and look up and feel like I'm looking up at the top of a forest.
Thanks for sharing your plant stories with us, everybody. I heard a lot of interesting facts and met a lot of really cool plants and people along the way. So I hope that you all are now inspired to take care of your own houseplant at home. It is very, very easy, and all you really want to do is to research your plant, do a little digging, and find out what your plant really likes in order to have it be happy and healthy in your home. And even if you don't think you're quite ready, you can start off with a fake plant, treating it just like it's a real plant, giving it sun and water every day. When you think you're ready, you can graduate to a real plant. And even if you can't get a plant in your home, maybe you just don't have the space or you're not ready again, look right outside your window, find an interesting plant, maybe a tree, maybe a flower, and give it a name. Check in on that plant every day and see how it's doing. So I hope you all had fun today on our journey. Make sure to share your houseplant stories with us, and I hope to see you all soon.